Okay, welcome to the Automation Studio Quick Start PLC Part 2. We're going to demonstrate the Allen Bradley PLC programming. Okay, we are back at our Automation Studio, and I've opened up our previous project, our Allen Bradley, and I named it Allen Bradley 1, and I saved this one as Allen Bradley 2. And what we want to do is we want to make a few modifications here to add a latching rung. So let's go ahead and we need to move this out. So click on it, control click, and that allows us to pull it out and move it. If we do a just move, it'll take the wires with us. So we want to go to ladder for AB PLC, and we're going to grab another coil. And we're going to put it right back in where he was taken from, and we're going to call that, we're going to call him B3, 3 and colon 0, and check. Okay. And it's asked us to do 2 more contacts. Let's go back up to contacts. And we want open ones. And we're going to put them in rung 2 and rung 3. And we'll connect those up here and we'll define them later. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's go back to our link tool, and we're going to use this one for sealing circuit. That's good, and let's connect this one up. Okay, that looks good for now. Next thing we need to do is link our 2 new open contacts with our coil B3. So let's double click on it and open up our, and we're going to go to data, variable assignment, and receiver B. So let's go down and we're looking for B30. And there it is, and we have it connected. Double click it. And it should come up, yes it does, B30, so let's go to the next one, and again we double click and it's linked. Good, so let's save it. Let's get this out of the way and let's bring it down so we can see everything. Up just a smidge, there we go. Now let's simulate it. And let's go to simulation, normal simulation, and we should get pressure. Good. And let's get this message out of the way. And let's push our button. Okay. So we have an input to in 0. And we are now latched. So let's undo our button, and we're still latched, and our output stays on. Okay, and let's see. Good, so it's latched and our output is still on, and that looks good. Okay, our cylinder's out and there's no way to retract it, so we're going to add a timer here to take care of that so we could retract it after 5 seconds. So let's stop our animation and go back to home. Okay, here I am at our last step and I made a mistake. We should have recommended to use a B-size paper because the A size is not large enough to do what I need. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and condense things and see if I could expand the rails so I can insert a timer and a relay. So I'll be back. Okay, I was able to squeeze and stretch, and I think we have enough room now to put in our components. So let's go back to Library Explorer, and we're going to go to ladder for AB PLC, Allen Bradley, and we're going to go timer. And we want a delay on timer, and let's go ahead and we're going to use our enable. So let's go back to our link tool. Good. Now we need to add another open contact, and let's see if we could copy and paste this one, and hopefully it'll keep all of its components, its information. So let's paste, and it did. And did he insert? He did not. Okay, we need to shift insert. How about we try that? There we go. Yeah. Now we have it, so let's go ahead and test it. Okay, I forgot one more thing here, so let's go back in and open up this contact, and we're going to go to variable assignment and receiver B. So we're going to go down to down, so we need to connect it, link it to our timer before we simulate. Good, so let's save it. Let's close out, and looks like I have it arranged properly, so let's go ahead and go to simulation. Okay, and it's energized, so let's try it. So it should go out. Our timer is timing, and here's our accumulator, and once it gets to 10 it should reset everything and send it back to the beginning. And let's go ahead and turn them off so we could reset the timer. Good. So now we're back to the beginning position. Let's hit push button again, and I can release the push button because we've sealed around it, and it counts, and once it hits 10 it'll retract. Good.